All U of M Canvas courses now come with the UM tool, allowing you to quickly and easily set up a custom AI chat tool for your course. Your students can use this chat tool to ask questions about a variety of course content. And the best part is, it only takes a few minutes to set up in your Canvas course. This video provides a quick demonstration of the process, but you can refer to the step-by-step instructions linked in the video description for detailed guidance. Once your Canvas course has been set up, your first step is to enable the UM tool. Click Settings in your course navigation menu, then click the Navigation tab. Scroll down to the UM tool and click Enable. This will be the navigation link your students use to access the chat tool, so you may wish to drag it to a different spot in the menu. Once you're finished, click Save. Next, click the UM tool in your course navigation. Mazy will automatically open in a new tab, create your AI chat tool, and begin indexing your course data. Then, click the Published option and publish your chat tool to make it available to students. You can use the public URL listed at the top of the project details page to open your chat tool and begin testing it to make sure it responds to questions about your course as desired. If you wish to customize the chat tool further, the support page on the ITS AI Services website, which is linked in the video description, provides detailed instructions for editing your Mazy project layout and artificial intelligence settings. Once created, your Mazy chat tool is automatically scheduled to re-index or refresh on a weekly basis, so it stays up to date with changes you make to your Canvas course. You can also link additional data sources to your Mazy chat tool from public websites, Google Drive, and Dropbox. Once they have access to your Canvas course, your students can click the UM Mazy link to access the chat tool. Individuals with the teacher role in Canvas can click the same link to open the project in Mazy and change project settings. Mazy provides a powerful way to leverage the amazing potential of generative AI in your Canvas courses. For more information about Mazy and other U of M generative AI tools, visit genai.umich.edu or the ITS website.